Did you realize the children of Israel were slaves in Egypt for more than 400 years? Now try to think how long a time that was. Just to give you an idea, the Pilgrims landed in America about 400 years ago. I mean, it's about that long a time. Now imagine if our whole nation was in slavery for 400 years since the Pilgrims landed. How would you respond when you were finally free? Well, the Bible tells us that the first recorded words by the children of Israel when they crossed the Red Sea into freedom was to sing praises of thanksgiving to God. Now, I want you to understand, every word of God is important. And God chose to record their first words, a song of praise. You could read it in Exodus 15. This is very significant to show that singing praise to God is important. Godly music is important to God. Is it important to you? To help you understand God's purpose for Christian music in your life, check out our website, thechristianmusicchallenge.com. Thank you.